Welcome back, everyone, to another episode of our deep dive into digital transformation. Today, we're talking about AI-driven predictive maintenance and its integration with digital twin technology, especially in the oil and gas industry. It's a game changer, right?
Absolutely. The oil and gas sector is notorious for its high costs due to downtime and unplanned maintenance. But with AI and digital twins, companies are predicting failures before they even happen, which is saving them millions. Have you seen how much Shell is saving with this?
Yeah, Shell's been ahead of the curve on this. They've deployed AI to monitor over 10,000 critical assets: compressors, pumps, turbines. They're getting predictions from over 3 million sensors, and this has really brought down downtime. They say it's been a game changer for their operations.
It's fascinating how much it's cut down on unplanned outages. The AI basically learns from past failures and can predict equipment breakdowns before they occur. This not only saves money, but also boosts safety. Less downtime, fewer emergency repairs. It's like having a crystal ball, but much more practical.
Right, and the digital twin technology adds another layer. By creating real-time virtual replicas of physical assets, you get to monitor them from every angle, even run simulations to see what might happen under different scenarios. No need to take equipment offline for checks, which is a huge deal in these industries.
Yeah, that's one of the major advantages. And what's even cooler is that the digital twin can simulate everything from fluid flow in pipelines to structural integrity of offshore platforms. It helps operators plan maintenance schedules more efficiently, avoiding major disruptions. This level of proactive maintenance just wasn't possible before.
Definitely. I love how Shell uses AI to decide whether a minor issue needs immediate repair or if it can wait until the next planned maintenance session. It's all about being efficient and strategic with resources. And it's not just cost savings, they're increasing production as well.
Absolutely. For example, even a 1% production lift can lead to millions in additional revenue. Shell has been able to do this by reducing downtime, which makes a huge difference in oil and gas production. The return on investment, or ROI, is looking really solid with these technologies.
Right. I think it's also interesting how the resource-based view, RBV theory, fits into this. Essentially, these AI systems and digital twins are becoming strategic assets. They're not just improving operations, but also giving companies a competitive edge. This tech becomes something that's hard to replicate, which is crucial in a competitive industry like oil and gas.
Exactly. And as we see companies like Shell ramping up their digital twin and AI efforts, the whole industry is starting to realize how important these tools are for long-term financial stability. AI isn't just about avoiding breakdowns, it's about future-proofing operations. What do you think? Are we just scratching the surface with this technology?
I think we're just getting started. There's so much potential. Right now, companies are mostly focused on improving operational efficiency. But as the tech matures, we'll see even more integration across other parts of the business, like financial forecasting or even supply chain optimization. The future's looking pretty exciting.
For sure. And when it comes to offshore platforms, where maintenance can be a nightmare, the impact of AI and digital twins could be huge. Platforms often run at only 77% of their capacity due to inefficient practices. But by adopting these technologies, there's a clear opportunity to close that gap. Imagine the production gains.
Yeah, if digital twins and predictive maintenance could get offshore platforms even close to their full capacity, it could be a massive win. We're talking higher output, fewer failures, and less costly repairs. The ROI potential there is enormous.
That's the big takeaway here. Predictive maintenance and digital twins aren't just cool tech. They're creating real, measurable financial benefits. I mean, we're talking about millions saved in avoided downtime, extended asset life, and improved safety. These are game-changing results.
For sure. It's all about using these digital assets not just for operational efficiency, but for better financial performance as well. It's an exciting time for the industry. All right, that's all the time we have for today's episode. What do you think? Are we headed for a new era in oil and gas?
I'd say so. The combination of AI and digital twins is laying the foundation for a more efficient, profitable, and safer future in oil and gas. Can't wait to see where it goes from here.
Me too. Thanks for tuning in, everyone. Don't forget to subscribe for more insights into how digital transformation is reshaping industries. See you next time.
Take care.